Hi guys, happy Wednesday, and let's continue our Forex technical analysis for swing trading. Okay, as you guys know, I always start with the USD index chart, and here we have the market behaved more than 10 candles above the blue moving average line. Then we have the lot of candles below the moving average line, and then we have about the 10 candles consistently behaving up above the blue moving average line, right? So in other words, market is going down, up, down, up. So the third false break confirms the sideways action according to my trading system. So at this point, the market is doing the sideways action in the USD index chart. So right now, overall, neither USD is strong overall or nor weak. So ideally, it's not the best condition to trade, and usually I wait until we have the really clear strong trend in USD index. But it doesn't mean we can't trade, and that it just means that we don't have enough information on the USD index chart, and that means we will have to focus on the individual Forex pair charts to make a decision. So overall, USD index is doing the sideways action, and I would expect the move up and down move like that. There's no strong trend here. Okay, so let's write it down. So USD index is doing the sideways action. Our decision is to focus on individual pairs to make a decision. So once again, it's not the best condition to trade, and if you want to wait until we have the clear trend in USD index chart, that's totally fine. But if the individual Forex pairs demonstrate the good healthy trend, it's also a good opportunity to trade. And once again, it's not sideways actions in the USD index chart is not the best condition to trade. Okay, with that, let's move on. Let's analyze the USD Japan Yen chart. So we have original downtrend started like this, down retracement, down retracement. Now we have the really nice sides down leg here, and since then market is retraced into good zone. So right now in market is retraced about the 70%, 60 to 70%, which is a really good zone to sell USD Japan Yen. If the overall trend in USD Japan is still down like this, market should soon return into original trend and hit some Fibonacci extension down there. So right now, if you guys are looking for an opportunity to trade, I would recommend selling USD Japan Yen. Set your stop loss above the local maximum here, and set your take profit below the local minimum here. Your risk and reward ratio would be about 1 to 4. And again, it's a good opportunity to trade, and that's totally fine. And once again, we don't have clear indication of a trend, USD trend in USD index chart, and overall it's not the best condition to trade, but it's a decent condition to trade. Okay, so I will leave the decision up to you. And me personally, I have entered risking 0.5 of my percent, risking at the 50% retracement there, which is still a good zone to trade. Okay, let's write it down. So USD Japan Yen currently trend is down with the fake out, leg size is nice. I sold risking 0.5% of my account at the 50% retracement with the risk and reward ratio 1 to 3, which is a really good opportunity to trade, and currently market has retraced into 60 to 70%. So if you guys are still looking for an opportunity to trade, I would highly recommend selling USD Japan Yen. But if you're a conservative trader and want to wait until the clear strong trend in USD index, then that's also totally fine. So it's all up to you guys. Okay, next USD Canada dollar loonie. So here we have, as you guys can see, we have up and down movement of the blue moving average line, right? So it's clearly market is doing this sideways action, and I would expect it to continue. There is no indication of a trend here. So let's write it down. Loonie sideways action. When there is no trend, there will be no trade. So we will do nothing. Okay, USD Schweizer franc. So down leg, up leg, then down leg, then up leg. So market is going up and down. You see, up, down, up, and third false break confirms the sideways action according to my system. So I have closed my existing positions on USD Schweizer franc since market started doing the sideways action. So it was a perfect execution on my trading system and good decision making. So I lost about like a 0.2 or 0.3% of my account, which is totally calculated and expected. Let's write it down. USD Schweizer franc trend is market is doing sideways action, no trend, so we will do nothing. Okay, pound USD. So we have the good uptrend here. USD is getting weaker against Great Britain pound. Up leg, retracement with the fake out. Up leg, the market has retraced it, and now with the fake out, now market seems to be returning into original trend. So I have entered about when the market retraced about the 40% to 45% here, which was a good zone to enter the trade. And I set my stop loss below the local minimum here. I set my take profit at the Fibonacci extension 1.618 here. My risk and reward ratio is about 1 to 2, which was a good opportunity to trade. And a market seems to be accumulating profit since then, and now I just have to wait and let the profit run. So let's write it down. Pound USD, currently trend is up with the fake out, leg size is nice, and I bought risking a 0.5% of my account at the 40% retracement, which is a still good zone to trade. And now since the market is accumulating profit, and I will have to let the profit run. Okay, Euro USD. So here we have clearly the downtrend started like this because we have a lot of candles consistently behaving below the blue moving average line, which confirms the downtrend, and USD is getting stronger against the euro. And since then market has retraced into a good zone. Currently it's behaving around the 50% retracement zone here, which is a still good zone to to sell Euro USD, but it's not as good as the USD Japan Yen, right? In the USD Japan Yen, market has already retraces about 60 to 70% here with the fake out, and there's a really good chance that market should soon return into original trend. So USD Japan Yen looks best to trade. Okay, so let's write it down. Euro USD. It's a down, currently it's down fake out, but since I have entered all of my affordable positions on USD Japan Yen and Great Britain pound, I'm not trading Euro USD. But once again, so right now USD Japan Yen is in the best retracement zone, and I would recommend selling USD Japan Yen right now. Okay, Aussie. So here we have up leg, lot of candles above the blue moving average line, then down leg, lot of candles below the blue moving average line, then up leg, lot of candles above the blue moving average line. So market is clearly going up and down of the blue moving average line. So that is the indication of sideways action. There is no confirmation of trend here. So we will not trade Aussie. Aussie sideways action, no trend, no trade. Okay, New Zealand dollar USD. So here we have the down leg, market had behaved below the blue moving average line, up, then down, and also market is doing down, up, down, which is indication of a sideways action, and I will expect the sideways action to continue. So let's write it down. New Zealand dollar USD, sideways action, no trend, no trade. Okay, so what do we see overall? So USD index was down, the trend was down overall with the fake out last few days. Then it shifted into sideways action, and market is deciding whether the USD is strong or weak, and it's advised to wait. But if you are like a little bit aggressive trader looking for opportunities, USD Japan Yen, Pound USD is in really good zone to trade, especially USD Japan Yen, and currently they are doing the fake out, which is totally expected, and I have entered risking about 0.5% of my account on USD Japan Yen, also 0.5% on Pound USD, all of them at the 50% retracement, really good zone, and market should soon return into original trend. And if all my positions hit the stop loss, that's totally fine, which will confirm the trend reversal and which will also create another opportunities to trade. Alright guys, and once again, if you guys are conservative trader, it's better to wait because USD index is doing the sideways. But if you're a little bit aggressive, I would highly recommend selling USD Japan Yen. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you next time.